Hi, my name's Matt from the Monitor Audio Group, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Attessa Streaming Amplifier. The Attessa Streaming Amplifier is engineered for sonic explorers, users who want to expand their musical horizons whatever the source, while simultaneously providing an enhanced listening experience. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Now, let's start unboxing the amplifier. So, let's see what's inside the box. You get a quick start guide and safety instructions, an Attessa remote control and batteries, your power cords, a USB Wi-Fi dongle for using with BlueOS, and a USB extension cord. So the last thing to do is get it out of the box. Setting up your Attessa amplifier is really simple and only takes a few minutes, but you'll need to start by downloading the Maestro Unite app from the App Store or Google Play Store. The Maestro Unite app allows you to set up your Monitor Audio Group connected products, create systems, download firmware updates, and configure your listening experience. If you're planning on using Wi-Fi to stream music using BlueOS, you need to insert the USB Wi-Fi dongle into the back before you power on. So now, let's power it on and start getting set up. Using the Maestro Unite app on your phone, you'll be able to set up your Attessa amplifier to your network. Start by opening the Maestro Unite app, then tap the plus symbol. Start by giving your system a name. Then your phone will find your amplifier using Bluetooth. Select your amplifier and enter the code that displays on the front of the amplifier. You'll see a list of Wi-Fi networks that your amplifier can connect to. Bear in mind, your amplifier can only connect to 2.4 GHz networks. Enter the password for your network.
You may need to perform a software update to continue. You'll need to hold down the power button until it turns blue. Then your amplifier will automatically update. Once the update is complete, press the power button again to switch the amplifier back on.
Once your amplifier is connected to your Wi-Fi network, the setup is complete. If you want to stream music using BlueOS, you'll need to download the BlueOS app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you've got any questions about the Attessa Streaming Amplifier, you can find all the information you need at roksan.com or leave a comment on this video.